Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Conversation View on. This groups related messages, so you see threads instead of individual emails. Open the inbox, switch to the View tab, and check Show as Conversations. Once done, choose this folder or all folders depending on whether you want a single mailbox or every mailbox changed. This is important because Conversation View relies on subject and headers. Making the right scope prevents inconsistencies. Make sure to glance at a few threads to confirm grouping behavior before you continue. Once Conversation View is active, refine how threads appear by adjusting sort and filters. You typically want sort by date or date received so messages read in a logical order. Otherwise, threads can feel scrambled. Also, apply filters such as unread or flag to surface important conversations quickly. Then, use the expand or collapse arrow to open only the threads you need. This reduces visual noise and helps you process messages faster. So make sure to test a few views until reading feels natural. To finish, learn how to manage individual items in a conversation. You can move, delete, or reply to a single message without losing the thread. This preserves context. Create a rule like always move messages from to automate sorting for frequent senders. If conversation grouping seems incorrect, troubleshoot by inspecting subject lines and message headers. Slight edits or missing headers often break grouping. Finally, restart Outlook after changes if behavior persists, because a quick restart forces header reindexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.